Page 18, Polovetsian Dance. I encourage you to go listen to the orchestra play. There's several dances, a few dances. There's multiple dances. Go listen to it. They're all gorgeous. They're just wonderful. 4/4 time, 1 sharp. So we're in G major or E minor. Well, let's take a look. At the end, you're here. Ending in G major. I'm guessing this arrangement is in G major. All right. Go do the scales. Did I say that? I can't remember. Yeah, you got it. Okay. Eighth notes all over the place. Connect all this together. Lift up, that's by itself. Then 4th finger. Now the fingering, I tend to use a different fingering out of habit. There, like a measure 8. They want you to come down. I tend to just stay. And you can do a 4 or 3, either one. I tend to just do that thumb 3 here. 2, 1, 3. And then it's a thumb. Measure 13, it's a 4 and a 1. And again, 2, 1, 3. So forth. That's my suggestion on the fingering. That was a bit fast, so it really goes slower than that. But I got fingering and the notes and the rhythms worked out because it's a little tricky in spots and you're moving around constantly. That's okay. Dynamic wise, at the beginning it's both hands. Whatever you think moderately loud. And then you measure 4, you go up to loud. And that's for the right hand. The left hand now has to go into the background, into the shadows. Loud. Now, once you get into it, you can feel it. You're staying in that area. You can get a little louder and softer as you feel it. And in measure 18, you come down a little bit to moderately loud. Now, this is both hands. Measure 21, come down a little more to moderately soft. Slow down and soft. Both hands. And the last note again has an AV under it, so you just go down an octave. Play that very soft. I want to hear this as I'm playing that. Yeah. Speed wise, I tend to play this too fast, but you'll find orchestras, if you listen to multiple recordings, they play it at different speeds. So, but their metronome markings gives you a general idea of where it's at, and you can go from there. Now, pedaling wise, well, it's handy because this is an orchestra piece. We'd like a little more sound than what the piano, just the notes by themselves, are going to give. So we want the overtones. I think they're simplifying the pedaling to help you out a little bit, but I have some suggestions on the pedaling here. It's going to be overlapping, just like we've been doing. And basically, they're changing it with the harmony. But I don't want to smear this up. I don't think this is really a misty, smeary piece. So the notes go down first and then the pedal. And here, but going between measure 4 and 5, I connect all that. I don't. No, just connect it all. It leads into it, so connect it. Measure 7, I don't pedal the 8th notes. I can pedal after I play the dotted half note. And here, on measure 8, I lift up on the 2nd 8th note. the eighth notes here on measures 10 and 11. I don't actually need to pedal measure 10, 11 at all, and then on measure, I don't pedal measure 12, and then start pedaling measure 15. I don't pedal the eighth notes. So there's a lot of the eighth notes things, I take it out, take the pedal out of it because it smears it up too much. I don't want it really smeary. That's my impression of it. Now the last line on page 19 in this arrangement, he does seem to want it to be smeary. So you just hold the pedal down from measure 23 on, and yeah, it's a nice effect. I don't know that you really need to. I think you could still change the pedal up to here. And not even pedal measure 24 at all, and then pedal. But I'll leave that up to you. If you're not going to pedal measure 24, and maybe you don't want to pedal measure 23. So all of these are clean. Again, you have to experiment with the pedal and the sound. You try different things out. What sound do you like? Because ultimately it's up to you and your ears what you like to hear on how you're going to pedal it.